Welcome to my humble abode, your go-to channel for skincare. I'm not a professional and I don't claim to be one. I am just a girl who is crazy over skincare. So in today's video, we are going to discuss a skin routine for dry skin in summer. There is a timestamp in the description box below, so if you want to jump around products, you're more than welcome to. This is available on most of my videos. So this is going to be a 6-step routine, and ideally what you're going to get out of it is you're going to feel a lot of hydration, but you're not going to have that greasy, oily feel. I mean, I hate that feel, especially in summer. Okay, so for your cleanser, these are not new to my channel, and for the sake of time, I'm not going to go into great detail into it. I will, however, link in the description box a video called Best Cleansers for Dry Skin so that you can get in-depth information on these products. So my choice of cleansers are these two. So this is the Real Barrier Cream Cleansing Foam, and this has very mild surfactants in it. So this does not strip your skin, but it leaves your skin feeling really clean. And if you enjoy that lather and seeing foam when you wash your face, but you don't want it to strip your skin, you're really going to enjoy this. Then the other cleanser that I really love, and it is not new to my channel, is the Hey Gorgeous Aloe and Chamomile Cleanser. This is amazing for my dry skin. I always go for it. I always opt for it. And if you want more details on it, check my video, The Best Cleansers for Dry Skin. So next we're going to go in with an essence. This is the Neogen Real Ferment Micro Essence. So this is incredibly hydrating. So if you have dry skin, your essence and your toner should be hydrating. I have discussed this on my channel before, but I just want to go into detail with it again because I'm just so excited about this product. I just love it so much. So this has 93% of fermented ingredients. Fermented ingredients is amazing because one, it helps the skin absorb the product better. Fermented microorganisms break down molecules into smaller sizes, so your skin can easily absorb skin benefiting ingredients. It also assists in reducing the chances of skin irritation. It can neutralize substances that irritate the skin, and it really helps to nourish and hydrate the skin. So fermented ingredients for me is just so good. When I see a product that has fermented ingredients, I know that it's going to be doing the things. So just to name some of the fermented ingredients that are here, the first ingredient is Bifida Ferment Lysate. And this is a probiotic that's used in the iconic Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. I always say this, probiotics don't have enough research backing them up. However, some research has shown that it does help with skin barrier functions and it decreases skin sensitivity. Then there's Saccharomyces Ferment Filtrate, and that smooths and moisturizes the skin. You may see some brightening properties, and it also has some wrinkle repair properties. Rice Ferment Filtrate, this softens and plumps up your skin. And finally, Aspergillus Ferment, and that really helps to reduce hyperpigmentation and sunspots and age spots on your skin. And then obviously there's moisturizing and humectants in here, which are betaine, caprylyl glycol, allantoin, butylene glycol, sodium hyaluronate, which is skin identical, glutamic acid, and then one of my favorite star ingredients just in general, there's green tea extract in here, which is a super antioxidant and also really helps fight against UV rays. Much lower on the list, they also have niacinamide in here, and then there are a ton of skin identical ingredients. I'm not going to go through that list just for time, but just so you know, I am very obsessed with this product. I absolutely love it. When I don't put this in my skin routine, I definitely see the difference of it not being there. So really good, and especially for your dry skin, you are going to feel that hydration boost, but also the brightening and the glow effect of this. OMG, this is a holy grail for me. I'm looking for the full bottle, so if anyone knows where I can find that in SA, that would be great. At the moment, I'm living off minis, but you know what, as long as I get it in my skin routine, it is what it is. This is bomb.com, and what's really nice is that you can buy a mini, and the mini is not expensive, so you can test it out for yourself and then let me know in the description box how much you love it. Okay, now for the toner, we're going to be using the Keep Cool and Soothe toner. Hunty, I don't have words for this toner. This is the most hydrating toner I have ever used ever. I obviously got a mini set because I wanted to test it, but definitely going to buy the full bottle of this. My skin adores this. It loves it. I've never used a toner that gives me such hydration. Pairing it with this, it is such a good combination. They hydrate my skin so well, but they don't leave my skin feeling greasy at all. So the Keep Cool and Soothe toner has 85% of bamboo water, and really that's where that hydration comes from. It is so good. It is so hydrating. And then they still have humectants and moisturizers in here that I really love. 2 skin identical ingredients, which is glycerin and sodium hyaluronate. Then there's hydroxyethyl urea, butylene glycol, and polyglutamic acid. So some more hydration coming in on top of that bamboo water. And then there's antioxidants and soothing ingredients in here. And for the sake of not butchering ingredients, I'm not going to list them, but I am going to list the one that I can pronounce, which is honeysuckle flower extract. Honestly, this toner like just surpassed my expectations. And what I also like is that you can get it in a mini, so you know, you don't have to be spending a ton of money. You can test it out. If you love it as much as I do, you can go and get the big one. I'm definitely getting the big one. It is not negotiable. So let's discuss a serum. So for your serum, you're going to go in with the Iunik Black Snail Restore Serum. Ooh, I am giving you all of the good stuff in the skin routine. So if you watched my video called Which One Tay, where I look at 3 different snail gels and I discuss which one is the best, you would know that this one here was my favorite. And particularly in summer, I absolutely love the snail gel. You know, snail is incredibly hydrating, and this one here has a lot of hydrating and brightening properties. Just for the sake of time, I'm not going to go into mad detail about this, but I will list in the description box below the video that discusses this in detail, which is called Which One Tay, and we look at snail filtrates. So just know that she is the one. So far, this is so bulletproof. This is packed with hydration, but there's going to be no greasiness, no oiliness, just absolute fantasticness. And also this here is available in a mini. As you can see, I have a mini, but also definitely something that I'm going to buy a large off because I just love it so much. And then for a moisturizer, we're going in with the Skin Functional Liquid Moisturizer. You guys know that I'm all about barrier support. I love barrier support, and irrespective of your skin type, I always suggest this as the moisturizer for you to go in. So because we've given our skin so much of hydration, we actually don't need a ridiculously occlusive moisturizer that you would be used to if you have dry skin. You're getting so much of hydration that when you put this on, you feel that it is very lightweight, but it is still sufficient for your dry skin in summer. Once again, for the sake of time, I'm not going to go into mad detail about this, but this has 2% ceramides and it has GABA in it. It has a lot of fatty acids and it has a lot of humectants and moisturizers in it as well. So in the description box below, I will list the video where I go into detail about this, called the best skin functional products. And if you're a day one, you would know that this is my favorite skin functional product. And if you have dry skin, you definitely need to be reinforcing your skin barrier. She is the go-to for that. Finally, my loves, we must discuss an SPF, and this SPF is the Axis Y Complete No Stress Physical Sunscreen, and I have discussed this on my channel before. The sunscreen filters in here is zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. There is 2% of niacinamide. So you're definitely going to get that brightening property. There's humectants and moisturizers that I love in here, which are propanediol, betaine, butylene glycol, pentylene glycol, and then obviously skin identical ingredients, which I absolutely love. And always suggest that skin identical ingredients are in your products. These are glycerin and squalene. Antioxidants in here, which is going to help you fight against free radicals and also help against UV rays on your skin and just enforce that UV protection on your skin. This grapeseed extract, marigold extract, and my favorite green tea extract. This is SPF 50 PA quadruple plus, which basically means that you're getting the broadest spectrum of protection, which is exactly what you want. And I just want to show you how elegantly this is formulated. So normally zinc oxide and titanium dioxide leave a very strong white cast. Look at that. This is non-greasy. It spreads so well and it actually leaves you with a satin finish. So like I said, I don't like a greasy feel in summer, so that's why I opt for this XSY sunscreen in summer. If you want to exfoliate your skin, which is super normal and something that you should be doing, I do have a video called Best Exfoliation for Dry Skin, but just to touch on it, I would suggest the by Wishtrend Mandelic Acid. This here is very, very gentle, very lightweight. You know, if you go in with very strong exfoliants on your dry skin, you can just make your dry skin worse. So I like to opt for this for dry skin. But for more details and for a broader range of products to use for exfoliation, please check out that video. I will list it in the description box below. That's it. I literally just laid out all of my gems to you guys. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've gotten this far, you might as well subscribe to my channel. And if you have a bulletproof skincare routine for dry skin in summer, let me know. Let's discuss. Always a fabulous time with you guys. I can't wait to do this again.